everybody, it's Joni T with Realty Executives, and I'm here with Robert. He's an agent in my office, Robert Harding, and I'm showing him this property that I'm going to put on the MLS tomorrow. So this is basically a lot. There is a little house here, but it's a tear down. The lot is 51 by 138. The cheapest lot in 32806 right now is 160. We are basically walking over the drain field, which was redone not too many years ago. I also want you to see that there is an upgraded electrical panel. So Robert's going to look for somebody that's interested in this because there's an upgraded panel. Now the house has to be torn down. This is being sold as a lot, and the reason is the house doesn't encroach on the lot next to it. So basically the house has to be torn down, or at least to the left has to be torn down. This is about the lot line. It's a 51 by 138 lot. Call me, Joni T, 407-948-5592, or Robert,
407-592-2265.
Okay, and here we are. We're real people, but we don't know if it's working. Hi!
Hi.